Hello students and welcome in today's session. Again today this session is very important because in this session we are going to discuss chapter number 6, importance of this chapter from board exam point of view. So here I will say you which points are important from the board exam point of view and how many marks question will be asked on that point, right? So let's start our chapter number 6, importance of this chapter from board exam point of view. Chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance. Now in this chapter, these are the list of the points are given here, and these all points are important because this whole unit is important for 18 marks, and in that chapter 5 and 6, these two chapters are there on which more and more questions will be asked of 3 marks and 5 marks, right? So from that point of view, chapter 6 is also very important. In that first point is DNA. Now in that you can see here the DNA, some of the bacteriophages, length of the DNA is given in the number of nucleotides. So this you have to remember. Bacteriophage lambdas length is given, Escherichia coli's length is given, and human DNA, haploid DNA's length is given. So these you have to remember. 1 mark question may asked on this structure of polynucleotide chain, right? So this diagram is important, and in that what is purines, what is pyrimidines, and which type of nucleotides and nucleosides are formed. This is important. So based on this, for drawing diagram or strand of a diagram with 4 nucleotides, 2 marks question will be asked. So in that 3' and 5' end you need to show it properly. How to show that I have already explained, right? So these are the 4 nitrogen bases: adenine, guanine, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. So how they are, in which proportion they will be present in the DNA, what is their ratio, this is explained by the Chargaff, Arvind Chargaff. So Chargaff's rule will be asked for 2 or 3 marks, or based on their percentage question will be asked to find out the percentage of guanine in a particular DNA. Means suppose if they have given the percentage of adenine, then they may ask you to find out the percentage of a cytosine or a guanine. So how to calculate that? That also I said that is depend on a Arvind Chargaff. So 2 marks question will be asked on this. Next point is there the silent features of the double helix structures of the DNA. 4 points are given here. So this question will be asked for 3 marks or 5 marks. So prepare this point very nicely. Next, double stranded structure of DNA is given. In that 4 nucleotide pairs are there. So to draw this diagram, 3 marks question or sometimes 5 marks question with sub questions A, B, C, it will be asked. So prepare this diagram also very nicely. Next is central dogma. This picture you have to remember: DNA replication, DNA to mRNA transcription, and mRNA to protein translation. This is what a central dogma. Then next point is a packing of a DNA helix. So this is again very important point from this chapter. Based on this point, 3 marks or 5 marks question will be asked. In this diagram is very important. Labeling with a diagram you have to prepare. Now in that histones which are there, which types of proteins are there, what is a histone octamer, how the nucleosome structure is formed, what is mean by chromatin, this you have to remember. Non-histone chromosomal, in that euchromatin and heterochromatin, definitions will be asked on this, or which type of non-histone chromosomal protein is there, transcriptionally active, that is euchromatin. Transcriptionally inactive is there, that is heterochromatin. This you have to remember. Search for genetic material in that transforming principle is given by Frederick Griffith with his experiment on mice. So this will be asked for 5 marks or 3 marks. So name of the organism, that is Streptococcus pneumonia, right? Strains, yes strain, R strain, and the result. Then what he has concluded, right? So that you have to, what the transforming principle Griffith has given, that you have to write. Based on this transforming principle, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy, what they have understand and how they find out the biochemical characterization of the transforming principle, that a transforming material is a DNA and not a RNA or protein. How they have found out? This experiment will be asked for 3 marks. So you have to prepare this very nicely. The genetic material is the DNA. It is proved by the experiment by Hershey and Chase. So this experiment is there, Hershey exchange. With the diagram you have to prepare. 3 marks or 5 marks question will be asked on this point. So in that first, second, third, 3 steps are very important. Then the properties of the genetic material, DNA and RNA. In that, which the essential properties are there that should be fulfilled by the genetic material. So these 4 properties are there. 3 marks question will be asked on this. Why the DNA is a genetic material? Why RNA is not a genetic material which is widely accepted, or why protein is not a genetic material? Like that question will be asked. Now in viruses we have seen RNA and DNA both are as in genetic material. So which is a better genetic material? So in that comparison between the DNA and RNA, it is given in this paragraph. So based on these 3 or 4 points if you will write, then 3 marks question will be asked. Which genetic material is a better, DNA or RNA? So like that question will be asked. Next, RNA, what in that types of RNAs are given, and how it will be act as a genetic material, what it different role. So this will be asked 1 or 2 marks question. Then replication, DNA replication. So this is a replicating fork of a DNA. Watson and Crick has given the model for semi-conservative DNA replication. So this experiment is there, semi-conservative DNA replication. This will be asked. So this is the explanation of that experiment and this is the diagram. So along with the diagram, with the explanation, you have to prepare. In the explanation, cesium chloride solution will be used as a density gradient, and N14 and N15 as a source of nitrogen will be used in a DNA. So with this, if you will explain this experiment, it will be asked for 5 marks. So this experiment along with the diagram you have to prepare for 5 marks. Then the next one is the machineries and the enzyme. So in that different enzymes are given of a DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme, DNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3, and what are their different functions, it is given. Then a DNA ligase enzyme, what its function, what is a replicating fork, to whom we are saying replicating fork, how the continuous strand you can recognize, what is its polarity 5' to 3'. Discontinuous strand, why it is called as discontinuous strand, right? So this will be asked. What is the importance of ORI? So from here only the replication will start. So these all points are important. Along with that, this point is very important. Diagram you have to prepare for 2 marks, replicating fork, right? So with continuous and discontinuous strand. Next point which is very important, that is the transcription process. So what happens in the transcription process? So transcription unit is there, promoter, structural gene and terminator. So transcription in prokaryotes and transcription in eukaryotes, it will be asked. So in that diagram is given of the transcriptional unit, promoter, terminator and structural gene. So template strand and coding strand it is given, right? So this diagram will be asked for 2 marks, or labeling will be asked. If it is not asked for drawing, maybe only for labeling they will ask. So ends of these strands you have to remember 3', 5', right? And here on the structural gene template strand is there, so 3' end will be here and that side promoter will be there, right? Next one, transcription unit and the genes in that. What is mean by monocistronic genes, polycistronic genes, in which monocistronic genes found right in eukaryotes, polycistronic it will be occur in prokaryote. What is exons, introns, right, cistrons. So all these definitions will be asked for 1 mark. Then types of RNA and the process of transcription. So process of transcription, in that initiation, elongation and termination. 3 steps are there. It will be asked in prokaryotes as well as in eukaryotes. If it will be asked only in prokaryotes, 3 marks. It will be asked in eukaryotes, then also 3 marks. Sometimes differences will be asked in transcription in prokaryote and eukaryote. So that you have to remember. So this is given the transcription in eukaryote. This diagram is again very important. Earlier diagram also and this diagram also. So 5 marks question will be asked on this. In that RNA splicing is there, poly-A tail, that is tailing and capping. So these points are very important. Explanation is given over here. So you have to remember this transcription in eukaryote for 5 marks with all this explanation. Next is the genetic code. Now in that genetic code, why this code is only triplet, right? So why this only 3 codons are considered in the triplet? So their explanation is given here, so that you have to prepare. Then this codon table is there, right? Which code codes for which amino acid. This you just go through, but in that 3 stops codons are there, 1, 2 and 3, UAA, UAG and UGA. This you have to prepare. It will be asked for 1 mark. AUG, another codon is there. It will be code for MET as well as it is a starter codon. Means in every transcription this will be the first codon, right? So this will be asked. Like that, these 4 codes code for leucine, these 4 codes code for proline. Like that you have to identify here and remember few of them as an example, right? Sometimes very rarely for 1 mark it will be asked. Next point, very important, silent features of the genetic code. It will be asked for 5 marks or 3 marks. So these are the 6 points which is given as in silent features of the genetic code. Half mark for each point. So prepare this very nicely. So many times the question is asked on this. Next is that like that codons will be given, mRNA sequence will be given, and you have to find out the sequence of the amino acids like this. So like that also sometimes question will be asked, or sometimes DNA will be given, strand of DNA will be given. Based on that you have to find out the sequence of the mRNA and sequence of amino acids will be asked, right? So in this way you have to prepare this point. Next point is mutations and genetic code, right? So here sickle cell anemia disease is an example of point mutation. So what is point mutation, how it is takes place, that you have to understand and keep it in mind. For point mutation 1 or 2 mark question will be asked. Then flame shift mutation is there by addition and deletion. So this is the best example given in the book. With this example you can explain the flame shift mutation. This is what, right? Then tRNA, the adapter molecule. So many times question asked on the tRNA, structure of tRNA. So this structure you have to prepare for 3 marks, right? With it anticodon and the loops. Then translation, right? In central dogma this is the last portion, that is the translation. In that translation, what is mean by charging of tRNA or amino acylation of tRNA? This will be asked. So this will be asked for 1 mark as a definition, or it is a process. Then this diagram you have to prepare it very well. 3 marks or 5 marks question will be asked on this translation process. Translation, how it takes place in a prokaryotes and eukaryotes. See the differentiating points in that. Then what is mean by UTR, that is untranslated regions. Then regulation of a gene expression. Very important point. So here it is given in eukaryote regulation can be exerted in these four levels, right? Transcriptional level, processing level, transport of mRNA from nucleus to cytoplasm, and translation level. So this will be asked the regulation of gene expression, and in that lac-operon, so many times question asked on the lac-operon. So in a lac-operon explanation, and along with the explanation, this diagram on lac-operon on diagram and lac-operon off diagram. So this you have to explain it very well. Inducer in presence of inducer and in absence of inducer, it will be asked, right? So prepare this. What is mean by negative regulation, what is mean by positive regulation, I have explained it very nicely in my video. So go through that and try to understand, because this is very important for 5 marks. Lac-operon, so many times question asked. Next point is human genome project. So on this human genome project, sometimes question will be asked. In that it will be asked the goals of the human genome project, then what is mean by bioinformatics. Then next question will be asked on the methods of sequencing of human genome. 2 methods are there: expressed sequence text and sequence annotation. How it will be carried out? So 3 marks question will be asked on the methodologies in the gene sequencing, right? Then next question will be asked on the silent features of the human genome. 5 marks question sometimes asked on the silent features of the human genome. Then what is mean by SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphism. So what is mean by SNPs and how they are useful in the human genome project, this will be asked. Then what are the future challenges and applications of the human genome? It will be asked in sub questions. 5 marks ABC questions will be asked. So in that 1 or 2 mark question will be asked on the future challenges. The next point is DNA fingerprinting. So in that DNA fingerprinting, where it is applicable, right? So in that what is mean by repetitive DNA, satellite DNA, short questions will be asked on this. But what is mean by polymorphism, this will be asked for 1 or 2 mark. But here the 4-5 marks question will be asked on VNTR and how the DNA fingerprinting method is carried out. This process is there, these points are there. So this technique based points are there. This will be asked for 3 marks. 6 points are there, right? Then next point is there, application of DNA fingerprinting. So this is the diagram given. So like that diagram you can prepare based on this diagram. For drawing may not be asked, but some application based diagram question will be asked based on such diagrams, right? So prepare this chapter very well. So these are all some points, important points of the chapter number 6. So all these points prepare well and crack the board. Get out marks in this chapter. All the best.